In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show colors in Listing Etsy Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your shop manager to surface color information on your listing and help shoppers find it in search. First, open your Etsy shop manager on desktop so you're viewing your seller dashboard. From here, head into Listings. This is your central hub for managing everything buyers see. It's a good idea to take a quick look at your existing items to keep your approach consistent, but we'll walk through adding a new one so you can see the full flow. Click Add a Listing to open the listing editor. This is where you'll enter all the details buyers rely on, including the color information. The same editor appears if you later choose to update an existing listing. In the editor, scroll to the Item Options area. This section controls key details shoppers can filter and compare. Open Attributes. Here you'll see category-specific fields that help Etsy display your item accurately. Locate the color-related attribute options and choose the best match for your product. Selecting the most accurate color here helps Etsy show your item in the right filters and clarifies the color on the listing page, reducing confusion for buyers. Next, move to Tags. Tags work hand in hand with attributes to improve discoverability. You can add up to 13 tags, and color terms belong here too. Think about the words a buyer might type when searching for your item's color. Be specific when you can use common color names and straightforward phrases buyers recognize. Type a tag into the box and click Add, then repeat until you've covered your most important color terms, plus any useful variations or shades relevant to your item. Avoid punctuation. Keep each tag clear and focused, and don't repeat the same word across multiple tags without purpose. That's it. By choosing the appropriate color and attributes and reinforcing it with thoughtful tags, you make your listing easier to find and clearer to understand, which can boost clicks and buyer confidence.